Hey, it's Adelaide with TalkBox.Mom, and we're doing today's foreign language phrase of the day. We're continuing our weekly theme of Forgetful Mom, and today's phrase is, I need to cook dinner. Now, this might be a phrase you might say when you're not forgetful and you just need to cook dinner, or it could be like me and I'm doing something and I'm like, oh, I need to cook dinner. So, depends on the context. So, if you'd like to follow along with our free phrase of the day calendar for the week, you can DM us for the phrase of the day calendar in the language of your choice. Now, if you already have the $35 phrase book, you can follow along in the companion app that shows the phrases for the book you have. So, today we're going to be doing this phrase together in wowzers, Chinese Mandarin. Now I do Spanish and German with my family. So this one is totally different for me. So let's go and try it out. So to get to this phrase in the app, we're going to go over to see, and then we're going to hop over to the word cook. Here we go. Lots of words in this book. Okay. Here we go. Here it is. I need to cook dinner. So remember, when you're starting a foreign language, you can't hear all the sounds being said. So that goes for me. I can't hear everything being said, but I'm going to give it my best try. And the more I do this, the better I'll be able to hear it. So let's have some fun.
做
Oh, sorry.
饭
I didn't click on the phrase. There we go.
我
需
要
要
做
做
晚
晚
饭
饭
了
了
我需要做晚饭了
我需要早晚饭了 That was my best. Let's play it again. So those who are doing Chinese at home, you can follow along. I'm going to pause for when she says the full phrase to let you repeat because I'm not there yet. I'm still at one word at a time, but I am enjoying the one word at a time. So here we go.
我需要
要
做晚饭
饭
了我需要做晚饭了
Awesome! Okay, wonderful. So if you're using this phrase with your family, tag us on Instagram at TalkBox.Mom of a video of you using this phrase in a really fun way so we can continue the fun over there. I'll see you on Instagram at TalkBox.Mom in the stories. Bye!